I decided to study Spanish and French because of my love for languages. I grew up in a very multicultural household. I find this college very welcoming.
There's never a day that's the same as the before. The lecture would always make the next session different to the first one. Instead of being the same, it was always exciting, it would always be different, and it would keep you all involved.
My lecturers made me feel at home. This college, you learn that by actually studying what you want, you meet people with the same passions as you and you have hobbies in common.
I first thought it would be really difficult to find my way around different blocks, different places and all that, but after a while you really get used to it, and when you find new friends and everybody, you kind of become a group that go together.
Everybody here is very friendly, social. They just want you to make you feel comfortable.
It allows a lot of different A-levels and a lot of different subjects you might not be able to take anywhere else. You can go anywhere and somebody will be willing to talk to you about anything. It makes you feel like you belong here rather than you're just thrown into a mix of people.